Hello G Squad, welcome back to the channel. It's me, the Gigi, and you're seeing my face so you know something's different. I am not gonna make a video for you guys today. I'm sorry. I actually have footage and stuff. I'm editing and doing some things, but it's all gonna be for next week. And I realized all the footage I had was enough for 3 videos, and I really want them to be a week-long thing. And I don't have anything else for you right now. So, hi. This is your video today. I just wanted to stop in with a really short video and say, you know, I'm sorry there's no nail art today. I know that some of you out there look forward to these videos, and I really love making them for you. So thank you for being part of my squad. You are so appreciated and needed at this space, in this space. So don't keep coming back for more, because there's always going to be more here. Okay, I've got some ideas coming up in the near future. I've got a really fun idea that I think I might make like a bi-weekly sort of series. Maybe we'll see how it lays out. I've also got some ideas for next year, starting in the beginning of January, because it's like a monthly thing. And so there's a lot of fun ideas coming up for the channel, so definitely want to stay tuned for that. I am going to do my own nails this weekend, so that will be coming up soon, but not until the next week, I guess, because I've got all next week planned. And just for a little hint about what's to come, it's going to be called Glam Goth Girl Week. So all my glam goth girls are going to want to show up for this week, because this one's all about you and all about the darkness and the Halloween vibe. We're going to do a lot of Halloween nails coming up in the coming weeks, because we are just of like what, less than just less than 3 weeks till Halloween. So, or just at 3 weeks, whatever, 3 weeks. So we've got a ton of Halloween content coming. We've got your goth stuff next week. So please be sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And honestly, if you've seen a few videos already and you keep coming back for more, the button's right there. Okay, hit that thumbs up before you head on out. Leave me a comment and let me know what you like about the channel or what you'd like to see in the future, because clearly, and my dog's going crazy over here, clearly I'm trying to do some planning for the future and making the content here a lot more amazing. So stick with me, we're going to grow together, and thank you so much for watching this video. We'll see you next week for a lot of glam gothy goodness. Mwah! Bye bye guys. Bye.